guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to stay tuned, understand every part of the strategies, and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, the trading tools I will be using, and of course if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Starting from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and of course the red arrows, and of course all this signifies downtrend and its sell signal. Okay, so till it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out below this. It's had a pullback, but actually it was unable to buy for a very long time before descending back. Okay, so this is trying to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to be selling for long and may likely retarget this particular support zone again. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, but wait for it till it breaks out below the support zone which I highlighted earlier. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. The next asset is going to be boom 500, and of course boom 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance zone, it was unable to go above that, so it's trying out a downtrend right from here. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity also for boom 500. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually went on uptrend, but later on it was unable to break out above that, so it sold for a while before pulling back again, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So we expect more of a selling opportunity from crash 1000. Next to that is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 has actually been on uptrend for a very long time and has been having some noticeable pullback in between. Okay, got to this resistance zone and had a major pullback, and of course went back there to see if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above this resistance zone. Then lastly is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually started a downtrend after getting to this resistance zone, and it was unable to go above that. So you can see the red flag, the red arrows, and of course it went straight down till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below this, so it started buying at the moment. So this is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to go beyond this or above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go back to try out this support zone to see if it will break out below it and target the next support zone. Okay, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, but make sure you take note of all the conditions surrounding it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.